In this short demo, we'll take a look at Chef Habitat's automated rollback feature. Automated rollback can be critical for application teams so they can respond quickly to deployment failures by reverting back to a previous working version. This can be important for DevOps teams deploying in low bandwidth environments where downloading a new artifact may be difficult or time consuming. Also for mission critical applications where your business depends on that application. You may not have time to build and deploy a new artifact. This is Chef Automate. This visualizes the status of our applications. We'll be updating the National Parks application, which is currently on version 7. We can also see from this dashboard that our status is okay, which means our application is healthy. It's a standard 3-tier web application with a load balancer, web tier, and database. We will promote version 8 of our application, which will cause our intelligent agent to download the new version and apply the updates. Unfortunately, version 8 will fail. We will see our deployment failure in Chef Automate. Once we see the failure, we will then demote version 8, which will remove it. Our intelligent agent will see this demotion and roll back to version 7. We will then validate the health of the rollback operation in Chef Automate. Here's the application itself. It's a simple web application. The pins are stored in the database to show that the connection is working. Awesome. Let's promote our new version 8 of the application. This is the SSH logs of all 3 of my web tier applications. You can see all 3 servers have quickly picked up the update. The update will download the new version 8. It will stop the previous version and start the new version. After a few moments, the health check service will respond, and we will see a failing health check because our update did fail. Updates and health are defined as part of your Habitat plan, and they will be different per each application. My health check in this example is just a simple curl call looking for a 200 error code. We can see some of our applications are already failing, and we're receiving a 404 error, meaning the application was unable to start successfully. If I go back to Chef Automate, I can refresh the page, and we will see all 3 of our web applications have a critical failure. If I look in the right pane, I can see all 3 of our applications are showing a 404 error, just like we saw in the console. You may have hundreds or thousands of applications, and you may not be able to log into all of them individually, so a dashboard with this insight is critical. We also see that we are indeed on version 8, which we have determined is a bad release. Releasing is like anything else. The more you practice, the better you'll be. Luckily for us, we prepare for the situation, and we have 2 ways to restore service. We can roll forward, which would mean troubleshooting the issue, correcting whatever caused the failure, and rebuilding a new artifact, like upgrading to a version 9 of this application. We can also roll back to a previous working version, roll back to version 7, for example. In this scenario, we're going to choose to roll back. We're hitting our peak time, and we really don't have time to troubleshoot and release a new version. To roll back is as simple as demoting the package. So I will demote version 8. Our intelligent agents will see this demotion, and they will roll back to version 7 of the application. This is the exact same process as an upgrade, just in reverse. So we will delete version 8 locally. We will stop the service and load version 7 of our application. After a few moments, our health check will return. We should see a passing health check on all 3 systems. Again, it is a curl request, so it's a pretty simple health check. Health checks are defined by you, so they can mean whatever health means to your application. We can see here I'm receiving an error code of 0, meaning the application is healthy. If I refresh the page here, we can see all 3 of our applications have reverted back to version 7, and their health status now is okay. We've been healthy for a few seconds. It's unfortunate we were unable to deploy our new version of our application, but we were quickly able to restore service so our customers weren't impacted by our issue. This is a simple example to demonstrate the concept. We were able to ship a change, diagnose the failure, and roll back quickly. Our intelligent agent isolates our deployments, determines health, and is always ready to respond to if we need to roll back or roll forward. We need to plan for failures no matter how great our methodology or our testing. We'll learn from our mistakes, so rollback is a rare event. Thank you for watching. This concludes the demo for automated rollback feature in Chef Habitat.